Welcome to this Mears introduction video of two of our new features within Total Lines. The two new features are Dimension Grand Total and Measure Aggregator. My first example is Dimension Grand Total. This feature allows you to add overall total lines of inner dimensions to your report. For example, my report here has 2 stores on it, broken out by store and day part. However, I also want to see the grand total of day part for all my locations on my report. To do this, I go into the Total Lines modal, and where I have my grand total row, I can change the dropdown for Dimension Grand Total from None Chosen to Day Part. Once I've done that, I click Apply. Notice now that my report has refreshed. It is showing my day part totals down at the very bottom, broken out as I was expecting. Now, our another new feature is Measure Aggregator. Mears has added this new feature to our Total Lines. Measure Aggregator allows you to display different aggregations on the same row. For example, before, to get 2 different aggregations to show, you would have had to add 2 different total lines. Now, by going into the Total modal and clicking the Measure Aggregator button, you can change the aggregation by measure. For example, I want to see my Measure Gross Sales Average as an average in the total line. And I also want to see my Gross Sales Sum as a sum in my total lines. Change these by changing the drop-down aggregation next to the measure. Click Apply. You'll notice now that my report has Gross Sales Sum as a sum for the total line and Gross Sales Average as an average for total lines. For more information on these upcoming features of Total Lines, please contact Mears at helpdesk.com or your account coordinator. Thank you.